Hi everyone, this is just a quick video about a homemade burner that you can do at home yourself. So here we have the drum of the washing machine. So this has just been taken out of a broken washing machine and it hasn't been cleaned. It looks really shiny and clean, but it's because it's made of stainless steel. So these just happen to be an ideal piece of kit that you can use for a burner, even a small barbecue. Now, if you're going to go out and buy something like a chimney or a fire pit, well, this will do the job. It's quite large as well. It's got a nice opening at the top for you to put your wood in, and it's stainless steel, so it will last. But also, it's covered. It's full of holes like a cheese grater, and this is in a washing machine. This is just to let the water drain out, but that's ideal for allowing all the air to go in to feed the fire. So all I've done is I've removed it from an old washing machine. So let me just show you what it is. If you're thinking, what is he talking about? It's just here's a washing machine. It's this drum. Not this one, but it's a drum out of a broken one. So it's that. It's been removed from the machine. So you take it out of the machine, and then what you can do is you can make a base for it, which I've done here. There's a belt that attaches onto here which turns, and that in turn turns the drum, so it allows the drum to spin when you're washing your clothes. So what I've just done is adjusted the angle. I've just re-drilled it so that it's all straight and level, so that it acts as a nice straight base, as you can see, and it will sit there. The air can come in from underneath on the sides. So I'll show you a video of it working. I'll get some wood in here and I'll see you shortly. So I've just put some kindling in there and a little bit of a fire lighter just to get it going. Just got some pre-made wood there. It's going nicely now. Now, as you can see, it's really going. Whatever you do, don't touch the metal. I've got my own chimney as well, as you can see, but this is actually quite a large chimney, and I think this actually burns faster and it's quite a bit bigger inside. I mean, these do work well. These take a lot longer to get up to heat, up to temperature. This one, just because it's got so many holes in it, letting all the oxygen in, you can see it's just drawing the flame straight up.